Big tech is back in the dock. Just another Silicon Valley court case, or does the Meta trial really matter? Well, yes, and here's why. First, while the court is sitting in California, the case is being brought by 29 US states, representing nearly 2/3 of the US population. The court in Oakland will hear arguments by attorneys general from California, Colorado, Kentucky, and New Jersey. They claim that Meta, which owns Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp, has used data from children illegally, including to train the app's algorithms. They're also demanding sweeping changes to apps, what they call addictive design features like infinite scroll, autoplay and certain beauty filters, to be modified or removed to protect children. If all 29 states succeed, Meta's lawyers say damages could reach $1.4 trillion, close to the tech giant's entire value, although states' attorneys argue a mere $200 billion is a more likely figure. Meta denies its platforms harm or exploit children and says it's worked hard to protect teens using its products. Will the jury buy it? Well, they certainly didn't in a recent case in New Mexico. There, Meta was ordered to pay more than $900 million in damages and labelled a public nuisance by the judge. But a loss in California would be far more consequential. As well as damages even Meta would struggle to afford, it could force fundamental changes to its platforms, whose profitability rests on holding users' attention, driving advertising revenue, threatening financial disaster at a time when Meta is already burning money in a race with its rivals to build infrastructure for AI. It will be weeks before we have a verdict, with potentially revealing testimony expected from Meta bosses, including CEO Mark Zuckerberg. Although this is Meta's day in court, the outcome will likely determine the fortunes of around 3,000 pending lawsuits against other major platforms, including TikTok, Snapchat and Alphabet, which owns Google and YouTube. The fate of Silicon Valley could lie in the hands of 8 jurors and 1 judge from its home state of California.